Hi, this is Angela again from This Niger Girl Studios. And you know, on our review shows, we like to give you simple life hacks just to make your life a little bit easier. And for a mom, you know that nothing is worse than going to the store and buying detergent that makes you do the job twice. Like, who does that? Anyway, today we're reviewing this. This is Springtime Biodegradable Complete Deep Cleaning, and I've tried this, and the reason I'm doing this is because if you're a mom, if you're a parent, or if you're just a very busy professional and you just want to get laundry done in one go, this is your answer. Like, ta-da! Thank me later. Anyway, I decided to try this out. This is an old timer. It's a floor rag. So we're gonna try it out. So I'm gonna put a little bit amount, and for this, I don't need too much because it's concentrated. And soak it in 15 minutes and then throw it in the wash, and I'll show you what it looks like after it's been washed. Be right back. And voila! See? Remember, this is an old timer. It's a well-used towel. So, see, the stain is gone. So people, today we're giving, this is usually $50, and for today we're giving it away at $20. Amazing price, it's a steal. If you would like one, please call the number below and book yours. If you buy more than two, you get an extra 10% off. If you're a mom like me, you'll be getting more than two, so yes, you will get an extra 10% off. Go get yours. I'll see you soon. This is Angela from This Niger Girl Studios saying peace out.